Oh, I'm recording.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
You're like scared.
They forced me.
Mm. Oh yeah. Look at his hair. Hi, Marina.
Your hair looks so pretty.
It's not doing anything. It doesn't look like.
It's
just
Did you see?
getting it really.
Yeah, it's really curly.
Oh, I
right here.
see. Now
Yeah.
it's getting like.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll have to get me one of these.
I know, right?
Oh yeah, totally. Oh, it's like
I saw that one. Ow! It's okay. I'll live.
Your lips are me cutting scissors.
Man, I love your one video when you're like, how to survive without your cell phone.
Oh, that did nothing. I thought I did something. Are you videotaping stuff?
That Hello Kitty
Yeah.
song was off the hook.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Did I hurt you again?
Oh, that was right on.
Dude, don't do the bottom, man, because I don't do the bottom. It really hurts when you do the
I
bottom.
know, but I can get it. You gotta get this side a little more.
Ah! Oh! I thought you pulling my hair or the thing burning it, but it hurt a lot. Oh! Okay. Okay,
You
I'm
got
ready,
that?
I guess.
No, I think we're done.
Okay, good.
No, wait, no.
No, we have to make sure that we, like, brush it down.
Okay, let's brush it. That looks adorable.
It looks like I've been in.
Now let's just put
I think I
makeup
need to
on
wet
it.
it down or something.
No.
Hold on, let me see. It's supposed
We
to
should
make
do
it
Ryan's
perfect.
hair.
Yeah!
Oh my god, we should totally do his hair.
Okay, hold this. I gotta cut my hair now. Alright, we're crimping JJ's hair now.
Look at how pearl I am.
Let's get her in the mirror. And Justin. Hey, Justin. Justin!
Hey.
That's Justin.
Smoke comes from it?
Yeah. And there's Julia.
notice that.
And there's me
Because you don't have long
videotaping. Hey, guys! Okay. And JJ's getting her hair. You're good at this, dude. My crimper sucks. Justin's gay, if you guys are wondering.
That was my
Joking. Totally joking.
Yeah? Yeah, hold on a sec. I'm crimping my hair.
Alright. JJ's hair looks really cool when she crimps it.
Oh, yeah. You got over here.
Okay. Now we got to end the video. Bye-bye.